Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Ash-Greninja from Pokemon XYZ. Here's what you must know. Ash-Greninja is he's like the final evolved form of Greninja. A special evolution for him when he's in sync with Ash. You see, Ash-Greninja is Ash-Greninja appears when using a special ability called Battle Bond. And it's a move only Ash's Froakie has learned this entire time. And well, he's never had the chance to use that power in battle. Okay, there's his head. You see, Ash-Greninja has a special type of coloring on his head. Okay, next up. There we go. Make sure to put these under his eyes. There we go. Next up, you just gotta draw the tongue. Here we go. Okay, next up is the body. Okay, next up are the legs. Next. There we go. Next up are his arms. Okay, finally is the throwing stars. And finally, you just have to add his tongue. There we go, folks. That is how you draw Ash-Greninja. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. And make sure to smash that like button. Did I already say that? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys later.